Ah, damn, that hurts. Okay. I thought the fork stop was over here. See how it hit the frame right there? With that fork stop right there. Boom, that took out the gas tank here. That's not the fork stop. The fork stop is the lug that's missing right there. See, it looks like a little piece of tubing that was right there. That stops that way and it stops this way. That's your stop. It doesn't hit back here. That's why those are angled and not straight. So that was probably what's left of the fork lock. Oh, that is a fork lock. See that round hole right there? That's the fork lock. That got nailed. The lock. Had a clasp on it. Yeah. So the fork stop was right there. That's what happened to that. Okay. So now we got two options here. We can try to beat on this some more, or we can try to put in a hydraulic press and push this thing out of here. I'm gonna beat on it some more. And then we'll try to press. Either way, I think the tree's bent. But I got another one coming. We got another pair of them. Ah. Okay. Oh, that hurts. Ah. Beating on the top of that. I don't know why that thing's so fucking tight. Okay. I think we're pretty sure that's not going to come out ever easy. We're hitting it pretty hard. It ain't like coming. Ah. Oh, it's tiring. Time for some pressing work. There appears to be some trash in the way on the floor down here. I'm not sure where that came from. Alright, we're going to come over to the press. I'm going to press that sucker out of there. Be a lot easier. Just put that right in there. Good. this crap out of the way. Ah. Ah. Oh, everything hurts when I move. Whew, thing's heavy. Okay. This is not going to work. Like this. Zip tie. Cutter. Zip tie on. Okay. Alright. Down further. Looks like it'll work. Okay. Cover, get out of the way. Okay. All right. Okay. Way too close to see anything. There you go. There we go. Now we're just on top of the block. We just go straight down. Should be golden. Look how much rake is in the tree here. This tree is raked a bunch. Oh yeah, she's got tension on it. Taking almost a ton of pressure. Oh, he's going up, not down. Oh, that's a lot of pressure. That's over a ton. Oh, that thing is in there good. Oh, that fucking hurts. Oh. See, I'm over here pulling on this damn thing. Thumb doesn't like that either. Okay. All right. We gotta go up. Look, that hurts. This should go inside of that. Yep. It does. Oh. 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 Ooh. Ah, therapy my ass. That hurt. Oh shit, that hurts. Oh, that fucking hurt. Oh, oh, that hurt. Oh, oh, that was a lot of pressure on that arm. I had to pull that lever down with my good arm. Getting sore. Yeah, I knew that wasn't going to fall over, so I didn't care about catching it. Oh, that fucking hurts. Oh, 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 oh. Mm. Oh, shit, that didn't go far enough. Whew. Oh, it hurts. It's bent. Okay, we're gonna carry on my bad arm. It'll stretch it out a little bit. Yeah, pulling down on my shoulder pretty good. I'm sure it's not over my 2-pound limit. Oh, fuck. That way, it's perfect. There's no way that's over 2 pounds carrying that. All right. Oh. Where did that come from? Oh. Oh, that fucking hurts. All right. There you go. It's only a little bit bent. Oh, it's just a little. Cover might be damaged a little bit too. Oh well. It was 9.5 or 8.5, I forget. That's definitely bent. Not sure why the tree won't work, but I'll get her out now. All right, they go in the corner so they can set. Oh, that hurts. I think we're getting toward the end of the day for me. These are 8.5, not 9. 8.5. Oh, this fucking hurts. Oh. All right, we got a pretty good pile of crap here. Well, the fork is off. The tree's not off yet because I got to figure I'm going to clip the wires out. Get that tree out of there. thought those were extended somewhere in there someplace. Already cut that out, maybe, I don't remember. I might have already cut them. I think I cut the extension out already. Those are the stock length ones, that's why I didn't cut them any shorter. But, we have to do something to trim it back. So I get the tree out of there. What a workout. I am definitely getting tired today. Yeah, this hurts. Yeah, it fucking hurts. Alright, tomorrow's going to be a lot more work, but yeah, it's really sore. Yeah. Tomorrow I get to go move a container full of crap. Get my dyno back. Yeah, that'll be fun. That'll be an all-day project. And probably another day. Alright, that's it for now. I'm going to get out of here.